We can do with them next. Oh. Good job. Bless you. Where are you going? You gonna play with that tissue? That sounds like fun. You want any of this? The chicken? No, thanks. Blah, blah, blah. Tell me about what you're doing. First you're gonna put that there, then what? Oh. Good job. Good job. I think she wants your attention. She just keeps slamming him down and then looking up at you, and then slamming him down and looking up at you. It's not working.
She's waiting for my reaction.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're playing with that dirty tissue again. Every time she does it, she looks up at you and waits. It's really sad. She's leaving with the pot lid. Nope, she's not leaving.
How many do you want, hon?
What?
How many do you want? 2, 3?
Give me that one of them and then give me that small nasty thing. Give me a small one and that really small one. Because I think there's only 5 of those.
That's so nasty. Should you be eating it?
It's not nasty, it's just you want it. Yeah, the ribbon bowl.
Ow. What are you doing? She just stood up and sat on my face.
That's what she did the other day.
What are you doing?
This was funny.
I have glasses. Don't you know what glasses are?